And the importance to the church, I will stick to the message of the day, but also to apologize on behalf of our leaders who do not distinguish between a church function and a political function. Hawezi ukakuja kanisa ulipe watu pale wakushangilie in a church function. This is very wrong. And I want to say, kwa wageni ambao wametoka nchi za nje, ambao wamekuja hapa kuona mambo hii yote ikifanyika, wataenda na image gani ya nchi? So I want to say, as the bishop said, one of the important things we need to have is people who can tell us when our zip is down. And I want to tell the leaders who turn the churches into political platforms, your zip is down. It is not that we cannot bring people. We have the resources, but we respect God and the church. So we will not come here to bring, if I want votes, I know where to get them. So, and also my sister Aisha Juma, pray for your friend or friends. But I also want to tell you, Nakuru people have the capacity and the intelligence to make their choices. So we don't mind your prayers, but we will also not come to Malindi to tell you who to elect. So respect the people of Nakuru. Even if they are poor or dirty, they are not stupid. They know where they are going.